myself Advocate Gautam Ashwal, associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss with you what are the restrictions are being imposed upon the Solicitor General of India. In our last three videos, we are basically continuing our discussion on Solicitor General of India upon his roles and responsibilities. So in this video, I'm going to discuss with you what are the restrictions upon the Solicitor General of India. So the very first thing is he has to hold briefs in any court or for any part except the Government of India or the government of a state or any university, right? Government school or college, local authority, public service commission, port trust, port commissioners, government aided and government managed hospitals, a government company, any corporation owned or controlled by the state, any body or institution in which the government has a preponderating interest, right? Another is advise any party against the Government of India or a public sector undertaking in cases in which he is likely to be called upon to advise or appear for the Government of India or a public sector undertaking, right? The next one is to defend an accused person in a criminal prosecution without the permission of the Government of India, which he cannot do. And the another is accept appointment to any office in any company or corporation without the permission of the Government of India, which is also being not permitted under the Constitution of India to him. And the last one is last restriction which is he has to follow is advise any minister or department of Government of India or any statutory organization or any public sector undertaking unless the proposal or a reference in this regard is received through the Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Legal Affairs. So that's all about our discussion. I hope you're pretty much clear what are the restrictions are being imposed on Solicitor General of India. In case of any doubt, any confusion, do let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.